Welcome, Helios, Glow LED's very first microlight. The Helios is the golden standard of microlights. It's simple, intuitive, and fully customizable. The Helios is a coin-sized chip with industry-standard battery life. It features 6 fully customizable modes, each with 6 color slots and 20 crazy flashing patterns, 5 of which are new to the gloving community: Flare, Glow, Morph Glow, Wave Particle, and Light Speed. Each default mode was tailored to showcase some of the beauty this light is capable of: Light Side, Sauna, Ultraviolet, Freezer Burn, Ice Blade, and Rainbow Glitter. There are 4 global brightness levels: High, Medium, Low, and Lowest. Choosing your colors with precision has never been so easy. In the color select menu, you'll be able to pick the hue, saturation, and brightness, allowing you to choose from 260 different colors. The Helios offers quality of life functions. It allows you to edit and delete individual colors so you don't have to go back to program an entire mode from scratch. And we've also added mode reordering, which allows you to shift the mode forward. In addition, if you ever get lost in programming, you can click and hold for more than 7 seconds, and it'll turn off and not save. Think of it as the equivalent of taking the batteries out. And if you want to start brand new, there is a master reset function, bringing your chip back to original factory settings. The Helios also features Conjure mode, allowing you to turn the light on and off in a single click. There is also a glow lock setting, which prevents your lights from being turned on when stored in your bag or pocket, keeping your batteries nice and charged. And finally, the Helios features a randomized mode, which allows you to generate new and unique modes by simply clicking. All microchips are synced while editing from the same mode, saving you time and effort, so you can go out there and start having some fun. The Helios will come with 1620 batteries, a glow jar for storage, our open Helios skins with dome diffusers, and a pair of gloves, so you have everything you need the moment they arrive. Visit glow-leds.com so you can experience the power of Helios. Use code AlohaNation for 10% off at checkout.